a fragrance that's both radiant and enchanting. Through careful blending and attention to detail, we've captured the vibrant essence of this beloved scent. Our version opens with a burst of juicy Mediterranean fruits, sweet and uplifting, that lead into a heart of soft floral notes. Beneath it all, a warm, sensual base of musk and vanilla wraps around you like a warm embrace, leaving a fresh, exotic trail. This fragrance speaks to ADK Lab's commitment to high-quality craftsmanship, offering you a luxurious experience that echoes the allure of Erba Pura with our unique and personal touch. Here, we share the art of fragrance creation, showcase our signature blends, and bring you exclusive insights into the world of scents. Subscribe now and join us on this aromatic journey. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates.